Now, feeding your fruit trees is a topic lots of gardeners need to know about because it's one of the most important things to do. Apart from proper sunlight and proper watering, feeding is fundamental in your fruit tree's success, especially when dealing with fruit trees that want to give you the best, so they're kind of expecting the best in return. So first, let's discuss about the best fertilizer for your fruit trees. When it comes down to a plant that's producing fruit for you to eat, you're expecting the best quality, especially since you're dedicating lots of time, effort, labor into that tree to produce. However, if you can't give them the best feed, you can't really expect the best fruit from them. Now, I've used the Vermistera earthworm castings in my garden and it has done wonders. Now, I tend to feed all my plants in my garden earthworm castings about once a month, and that is only because earthworm castings is not that concentrated or powerful compared to industrialized fertilizers. But it doesn't hurt me because I know I'm going to get the best at the end of the day. Now it's time to discuss about how to feed your fruit trees. Now, the easiest way to explain it is first things first is I remove some of the soil around the base of the fruit tree. Then, depending on the size of the fruit tree, is how many handfuls I give it. For example, this is the peanut butter fruit tree I have in the garden, and so in this case, I'll be giving it two. And then it's really important you mix it into the soil. Then from here, you want to water it in very, very well. And that is simply to have the fertilizer start making its way down into the root system. Now, many gardeners may ask themselves, when is the best time to feed the fruit trees? I usually feed all my fruit trees once a month because we have an all year round growing season. However, if you live in an area where you experience all 4 seasons, it might be a bit different for you. For example, you might see yourself feeding a few times in spring and a few times in summer, but during the fall and winter, you might lay off the feeding while your plants are going dormant. Or you might do heavy feeding during the spring season and then just no longer feed them for summer, fall, and winter. So it really depends on your area and your zone. So I would recommend doing a quick Google search on when is the best time you should go through and feed all your fruit trees. If you're living in a colder climate, ideally it's before they break dormancy. But if you live in a hotter climate like me, it's usually before they start fruiting or flowering. Now, it's really important you stay consistent when feeding your fruit trees. And since you're dealing with fruit trees that ideally will stay for a couple of years in your garden, you want to make sure that they're taken care of season after season. For example, this pink variegated lemon behind me, I have been pouring out my heart into this tree because it is my favorite tree in the garden thus far, and look at how many lemons it has on it. So consistency at the end of the day will show great results that you will be proud of. Comment down below how do you feed your fruit trees in your garden, and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more gardening tips and advice. Thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye everyone.